Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The lower door gasket prevents water from leaking out of the tub during a wash cycle. If the gasket is warped or damaged, then it won't seal properly. In this episode, I'll show you how to take apart the door and replace the gasket. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver, pliers, and an adjustable wrench. You might also need channel lock pliers and a socket set. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. The user control board and door latch are often located in an upper module. Now remove the mounting screws. Tilt the panel forward and disconnect the wire harness. And remove the module. If needed, disconnect any wires. Now remove any ground wires. In some models, there is a cross brace mounted to the hinges. Push in to release the brace. The inner panel is anchored to the hinge by several mounting screws. Remove the screws. Now lift off the panel. The gasket sits in a small groove on the door panel. In some models, you can lift the gasket out of the groove. In other models, it will only slide out left or right. Push the new gasket into place. Now check that both sides are even. Align the inner panel onto the door hinge. Now tighten the screws. Slide the cross brace into the mount. Next, reconnect any wires. Reconnect the wire harness. Next, align the control module and make sure that the mounting holes line up. Now, tighten the screws. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now, tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.